You run your business and we'll save you money. The sad fact is that 80% of companies are overpaying on their monthly bills. But our professional negotiators can save you money. Literally, thousands of dollars are lost to overcharges and billing errors every month in all kinds of businesses. We find savings for the future of your business. We are experts, and we do this a lot. Time is money, and we can save you both. We have a tailored approach to improve your bottom line. Here are a few of our happy customers. We saved Cook's Pharmacy in Pennsylvania $6,700. Dared Spa in Texas $52,300. Twin Oaks Farm in Pennsylvania, another $11,800. Riker Motor in Nebraska, $6,000. Groggy Dog in Texas, $12,800. And a property management company in Maryland, $12,800. And our mission is to save you money too. If you live in one of these deregulated states, you are most certainly leaving a lot of money on the table that could be saved and increasing your bottom line. There's absolutely no risk. Let us take a look at your monthly spend and show you how you could be saving more and freeing up time at no risk or upfront cost to you. Contact me today. My name is Rini. My phone number is 308-754-3027. Viv has an A+ Better Business Bureau rating, so you can feel absolutely secure in using our professional service. So contact me today. Again, my phone number is 308-754-3027. I look forward to serving you and helping you save money on your monthly expenses.